Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Unleashed podcast, where learning English is easy, fun, and always up to date. I'm Emily.
And I'm Leo. Today's episode is one we've been excited about because we are going deep into the world of Gen Z English in 2025. New slang, new expressions, and new ways young people are communicating today.
Exactly. Language evolves fast, and Gen Z is basically the engine behind that evolution. If you want to understand modern English, social media comments, and how young people talk, this episode is for you.
Before we jump into vocabulary, let's talk about why Gen Z slang matters. You might be thinking, do I really need slang to learn English?
Short answer? Yes, but with balance. Slang helps you understand culture, humor, irony, and online conversations. It also makes English learning more fun.
Plus, if you're watching TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, you are already seeing Gen Z language every day.
And today's slang becomes tomorrow's mainstream English. So learning slang keeps you ahead of the curve.
All right, let's get into the fun part. Gen Z words that are trending in 2025.
1. Delulu, meaning short for delusional, used humorously to describe someone who believes something unrealistic. Example, she thinks she'll marry her celebrity crush. She's so delulu.
Gen Z uses it in a cute, joking way, kind of like saying someone is dreaming too big. 2. Rizz or Rizzler. Rizz means charm or charisma, especially in flirting. Example, he talked to her so confidently. That's Rizz.
And Rizzler is someone who has a lot of rizz, like a smooth talker. 3. It's giving, used to describe a vibe or impression. Example, that outfit? It's giving CEO energy.
Anything can give something. It's a vibe check phrase. 4. Based, meaning being confident in your opinions, even if people disagree. Example, you said the truth. That's based.
It means you're real, honest, and unbothered by judgment. 5. Hard launch, soft launch. Soft launch means showing a hint of your partner online. Hard launch is fully revealing them.
This started with relationships, but Gen Z now uses it for anything. Example, here's my soft launch of my new job. 6. Slay. This one is still huge in 2025. It means doing something amazingly well. Example, you slayed that presentation.
It's positive, energetic, and everywhere. 7. NPC energy. NPC stands for non-playable character from video games, meaning someone acting predictable, boring, or robotic. Example, he just nodded and said yes to everything. NPC energy.
8. Main character, meaning being confident, dramatic, or feeling like the world revolves around you. Example, I walked into the room like the main character.
It's about owning your moment. 9. W and L. W means win. L means loss. Example, you passed your exam. Big win.
Short, simple, and used everywhere online. 10. Low-key, high-key. Low-key means secretly. High-key means openly, definitely. Example, I low-key want to sleep. I high-key love this song.
Here are some emerging 2025 expressions you'll see more often. 1. Silent flex, meaning showing success without bragging. Example, posting a picture from your business class seat with no caption.
It's all about subtle confidence. 2. Core, meaning a vibe or aesthetic. Example, vacation core, study core, cozy core.
Gen Z loves naming vibes. 3. Green flag, opposite of a red flag, a good sign. Example, he listens carefully. That's a green flag.
4. Clean girl, clean boy aesthetic. Minimal, healthy, simple, put-together look trending on TikTok.
5. Mandate and frothing, Aussie influence. Mandate means two guys hanging out, joke. Frothing means being very excited about something. Example, I'm frothing for the weekend.
If you want to use these terms, here are some tips. Don't force slang, use it naturally. Listen to how native speakers use it online. Use slang with friends, not in formal situations. Slang changes fast, so stay updated.
Perfectly said. Slang is for fun, connection, and understanding the culture. Okay, listeners, your challenge today. Pick 3 Gen Z words from this episode and write your own sentence using them.
Comment your sentences on our YouTube video or Instagram post. We might feature the best ones in the next episode.
Thank you so much for joining us for this fun, modern, very Gen Z episode of the English Unleashed podcast.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share it with someone learning English.
See you next time and stay slaying.